On behalf of NDBI, would like to welcome the speaker, Mrs. Sahil Shah, and all the attendees for showing overwhelming response. Like Sahil mentioned, there is 4 times the response that we thought for this online workshop. This is the new initiative that we are trying, and this is the first time that we are trying to do the online workshop. So usually we used to do the online sessions and panel discussions, but this is something new that we are trying to do, and it turned out to be very successful. So today's topic is online for this online workshop is no cost designing tools for creative entrepreneurs. So this workshop is hosted by NDBI, which is National Design Business Incubator, which is the incubator of NID Ahmedabad, in collaboration with GUSEC, which is Gujarat University's incubator. So just we'll give a brief introduction of Sahil. Sahil is a digital marketing strategist who crafted his way to building Hungrito, a strong community of 120,000 foodies from his final year project. So this was his final year project that he continued doing, and now it turned out to be really very successful. He now successfully runs a digital marketing company named NetSavies, creating unforgettable brand experience through various projects being run in different cities. Mr. Sahil is also been awarded by Andhra Pradesh CM for excellence in public administration. He is also a TEDx speaker. So many of you might be just knowing Sahil. So without wasting time, I just hand over the session to you, Sahil, for this workshop. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, firstly, Jigar, for giving me this opportunity. I always love to interact with people and share the knowledge which I have. So I'm very thankful that you give me this opportunity that I was here. And those of you who have joined recently, thanks a lot for the overwhelming response that you guys have given us. So thank you again. And I will like to firstly, so the link is shared on Facebook. Link, you can go to the NDBI page and see the Facebook Live, and those people who are not able to log in can share that other thing. Firstly, what I will like to do is, where are you all from? Which city and which state? So if you can quickly write that in the comments, that will be very helpful for me. Okay, Mihir sir is from Surat. Use the chat box. Okay, Rajkot, Delhi, Ahmedabad. Great, great, great. Okay, people are from Chandigarh also. Hi, Paramjit Singh. Okay, Bhavnagar, Ahmedabad, Baroda. Oh, MSU. Hi, Rina. Amit from Pune, Samir Pune. Okay, Dr. Okay, we have Dr. Amrita also from Baroda. Okay, and guys, please do one thing. If you are having your name as anonymous name, please change it to your own name, because if you ask questions anonymously, we won't be able to answer them. That is for sure. Okay, so the format of the session will be great. I think a lot of people are from Gujarat, a lot of people are outside Gujarat. We are from Gujarat mainly, and we targeted people. So other thing, where did you hear about this session? If you can quickly write that. So maybe on LinkedIn, maybe on Facebook, maybe through a friend or through email. These are the four, 5 options which I have in mind. Okay, somebody from GUSEC, Instagram, Facebook, email, LinkedIn, friend, email, GUSEC, Institute of Pune. Okay, email, WhatsApp, SSIP group. Great. Shared through WhatsApp, email. Okay, great. Okay, so rest of the people who are not hitting the button of chat, please do that. We will need that a lot. Okay, and we have hit the things, so we won't be having any more people joining in, because we have already hit the bar of 100. So it will be a closed thing for now, and we all will be doing this. Just sharing some few things. Let me share my presentation with you guys. I'm just trying to open that. Okay. Okay, so people are not able to join in. Let me just reply them. Guys, you will have to wait for just more second, because we are helping out few people who are not able to join with the links and sending them the links. Okay, Great. So I have shared the links. Jigar, if there are any questions in the live, do help me out with that. Okay. And guys, are you able to see the Q&A section? Is Q&A section visible? Okay. Yes. Okay. So great. So if you have any questions in the middle, you can ask in the Q&A section. I will try to make it interactive, and we will do that. And let me share the screen once. Okay. Great. Okay. So you all are able to see my screen, right? If yes, hit the chat button. Yes. Okay. I am audible and you are able to see. Great. So welcome to No Cost Designing, guys. So this is a session that we thought that might be helpful to everybody, because what is happening is, because in COVID, we also did net sales marketing in Summit, and that was more about the fundas and everything. So today what we are trying to do is we are trying to get through few things, and this is going to be a workshop kind of thing. So it's going to be a hands-on thing that we are going to try. One thing I will suggest is, how many of you have logged in from phone or laptop? Please write phone or laptop. You can write P or L also, no issues. So I know from where you have logged in. Okay, we have a lot of people from L, we have people from P. Okay, so those of you are from laptop, I will suggest you to use the tools while we are talking. So no need to see me and those kind of things. We will like to do that. And those of you are on phone, can you switch on another device where you can try to experiment things also? Will it be possible for you guys? If yes, type yes.
Also, Sahil,
Yeah.
just a second. So, if those who are watching from Facebook Live, if
Yeah.
you guys have any questions related to the presentation or some query related to the tool, you can just mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure that it get addressed by Sahil.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So Ankit, you need 2-3 minutes. Okay, great. So if you all can arrange one more screen, or if you are in laptop, that is great. But if you are in phone, do arrange one more screen so that you can practically test what are the things. If not, so थोड़ा बाहर जाओ ये कॉल में से, और थोड़ी apps download कर लो. Majorly अगर phone के अंदर ही हो and you do not have any other choice, so download the app called Canva. We will be learning that a lot, and it's a hands-on thing. So I think if you don't work on the things which are said just now, it will be very difficult for you, क्योंकि याद नहीं रहेगा, ये फंडे वाली क्लास नहीं है. So that will be an issue for you all. Okay, so first thing first, let me introduce myself. So hi, I am Sahil Shah. I am from Ahmedabad. I was lucky enough to be part of two great organizations. One is Dhirubhai Ambani Institute of Information and Communication Technology, which is DICT in short. I did my ICT engineering from there, BTech ICT, what people call. Okay, and other is I was part of IIM Ahmedabad CII, which is their incubator center, and I spent a very good amount of time in my life there and people there. So that has shaped me a lot. I and Jigar met there only. So luckily we had a common friend from them. So these are the both organizations which shaped the way I am functioning today, and what are the things we as a team are doing. Other thing is, chai has been very important in my life. I think it comes before anything, because chai pe charcha is something that I prefer a lot, and I had a lot of learning through that. Theater has also been my good learning, theater and movies. And the last part is I love social media. So we create, we share, and then we experiment and do those kind of things on social media. Small details about the companies that I run. One is NetService Media Company. It's a majorly full-fledged digital marketing company, but we do a lot of things on social media. So we are a social media agency which has worked with Government of Gujarat, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Government of Haryana, Government of Delhi. We have more than 40 clients which are in B2B and B2C. So that was small intro. And if you want to know about scale, Vibrant Gujarat जो होता है उसकी pre summits होती है, startup summit and agriculture summit and those kind of things. So वो हम लोग market करते हैं. And we were in Andhra Pradesh. I was the person who was leading the team from CMO of around 44 people for the whole state in social media. We have a product called Hungryto, which is a food discovery platform. You can go on Instagram. Other major thing about Hungryto is if you use hashtag Hungryto or search hashtag Hungryto on Instagram, you will get more than 45,000 postings. So that is a community that we built over time. Okay. So I will like to take, because this session was for entrepreneurs, but I think a lot of students would have also joined. So please write it down if you are a student or an entrepreneur or a marketer. in the comment section. Okay, Yashashvi is a student. Chetan is entrepreneur. Yeah, I love that you all have understood that you can write a short form also, ES and those kind of things. Okay, great. So a lot of students are there. Hussein is in marketing. I am marketing manager, but soon to start. Okay, entrepreneur, assistant professor, faculty. Okay, great. So we have a mixed audience just now. And I think those of you are not able to reply or use chat, please do that. You will. So this is the practice that I do a lot, and I saw a lot of good webinars also doing that, because that will keep you involved in the whole session. So when I saw after 25 minutes, you will be like, "यार क्या बकवास चल रही है?" Those kind of things. So because it's a one-way communication, you will feel bored a lot of times. So please try. I will make sure that you don't feel bored. But yeah, do try to comment so that I understand what are the things that you want. Okay. So that is the number one question. So for everybody around there, what is the biggest risk that that entrepreneurs take? So do write it in the chat box. See, chat will be a friend always. Okay. I am not seeing any replies. Guys, are you able to hear me? Uncertainty. Okay, good. Fear of failure, investment to grow, financial risk, product acceptance, career and money, investment or introducing new things, market, investment. Okay, investment of time, finding right market, investment of time, market. Okay, great. So we have some responses. For me, the biggest risk an entrepreneur doesn't take, okay, is this. मेरे को है ना बिल्कुल रिस्क नहीं लेने का है. Most of the people who try to do entrepreneurship, they are very much into this funda. Okay. रिस्क नहीं लेने का, रिस्क पे बिजनेस करो, ये करो, वो करो. There is nothing as sort as risk. In the times that we are in currently, going out of house for milk is also very risky. Okay. So remember, Spider-Man को भी रिस्क तो लेना ही पड़ता है. I will shoot a lot of dialogues towards you, that is for sure, because I am a movie buff, and you will see a lot of dialogues coming in and there from around. So that will be happening continuously. So make sure that you are sticking around with me. So this is a major thing that people think that okay, मैं एकदम perfect product ही बाहर डालूंगा या एकदम perfect चीज ही जाने दूंगा, or if my thing is not perfect, then people won't accept it, or if my graphic is not good, people won't accept it, or if I don't hire a good designer, that won't happen. Okay. So that is not the case. Understand that part. If you are satisfied with what you are doing and you want to go a notch higher, you can always do that. But understand, taking risk will only get you more ahead. Okay, that is the one thing. And so this is something which has driven us as a team. Okay, so we should provide value with the resources we have and make sure that we love it too. So why I'm setting this up is because sometimes what we will do today is you will learn Canva, you will learn I think a few more tools, you will learn Wix also, you will learn how to create a website or a landing page and those kind of things. But at the end of the day, it all comes about to what you want. There are people who are using their mobile phones to create TikToks. There are people who use their mobile phones to create creative videos and those kind of things. So understand what are the resources that you are having, and then use those resources properly and try to make what you are doing, and then defend it in a better way and love the way what you are doing. So that is the one thing. And other issue that most of the people face is when you go to designers, or when you go to web developers, or when you go to people like this. So one question that they ask is paisa laya. So how many people have faced that issue till now, that you are short of budget while doing something, or short of budget while designing, or you don't have any direction? Hit yes or no. Okay. Great. So I am very lucky to work with a lot of good designers in my life, and I have worked with around 10 people who are into designing when associated with NetSeries. And when we were working on some other things, we have people are in and around. So I have been very lucky in that segment. But whenever you see for designing or those kind of things, you will always feel कि यार ये प्राइस बहुत ज्यादा है, ये तो इतने में हो जाएगा, 3,000 रुपए ले रहे हो, 8,000 रुपए ले रहे हो, 10,000 ले रहे हो, those kind of things. And that will always happen. because the passion that you have for your business or the passion that you have for your designing, the same passion won't be there, and they are charging you for their hours. Remember those things if you go to a freelancer. And so they will do that because they are doing their job. They have to also pay bills. They cannot do a substandard work and give it to you. But sometimes you in the initial days require substandard work. You don't require somebody who is designing things for Myntra or designing things for Google or Amazon or those kind of companies to design UI UX for you. So in the initial days you will have to do it yourself, and that is why we are doing this session today. So first thing that we will be discussing about is Canva. I think this is designer's best friend also in a way. That is why I wrote that line. And during that part, we will be learning around Freepik, Unsplash, and also Infogram. Infogram is a tool which is used for infographics, but now they have expanded it into UI UX also. How many people understand UI UX? Hit me a yes. Okay, no. Yes. Okay. For people who do not understand UI UX, UI UX is user interface and user experience. Okay. So whatever you see on the website, whenever you see, it is the user interface. Okay. And how you experience it, okay, एक button click kara, and then you are going to next slide. Then the other thing comes up, or the flow is called the experience. So this is a basic definition that you all should get in mind. So UI UX comes into part of designing also and part of front end also in a way. So when product is developed, they do a lot of research. So if you say you will see most of the logins which are there currently in any website will be on the right hand side. So that is the part of user experience which people have generated. कि हाँ अभी सबको पता है कि people if we do something on the right hand side or if login is on the right hand side, people understand that login is on the right hand side. Okay, so understand that part. I'll just see the live also once, so that if we have any questions, we can go through them quickly. Okay, let me just go. Let's see. Okay, so if anybody wants to join in, they surely can, and we will be getting the questions and everything there. Okay, so we have around 10 people joining in. I think a lot of people would have gone by because they were not able to do that. Jigar, are you online? Yeah, Jigar, have you sent an email to people? Is it possible just now?
I'll just check.
Yeah.
You can resume. I'll just check.
Okay, great.
Sure.
Okay. So guys, what we will do now is, just a second, let me close this one. Okay. So we will be learning Canva, we will be learning Freepik, we will be learning Unsplash, and I will be just going through those things. So those of you who are on laptop, please open your screens and go to canva.com once. And if you're able to hear me, that is great. Will you share PPT with us? Yeah. And please in Q&A, do not, just a second, answered live. Student. Okay, use Q&A properly. That will be great. PPT will be shared. I will upload this PPT in, I think, one of the SlideShare folders, and then I will share the link. We will send an email to you guys that this was the presentation and this was the link and those kind of things. Okay, so let me just give you a brief about all the things which are there, and then we will move forward. Okay, so this is Canva. If you see, this is called the part of UI UX. If you, most of the people will see login will be on the right hand side. Okay, when you go to Infogram, login right hand side. If you go to this thing, login right hand side. Either start now नीचे, ठीक है. But if you go to any of the things, login will be on the right hand side, and that is part of the UI UX methodology that people are using just now. Okay, so that is one. Other thing is, this is Canva. Go open the homepage, log into that, sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook or sign up with your email ID, whichever you like. Okay, we will be using that, number one. Second thing that we will be learning about is infograph. Okay, and wherever you feel that things are getting boring and those kind of things, do hit me up in the comments. I will try to resolve that and answer your queries in that way if you are stuck somewhere. Okay. And the last part, last two things which we will be seeing is, one will be InVision. We'll be just skimming through InVision just to, because it is a heavy tool for people who want to build their website and want to build their own product. And other thing will be that we'll be talking about how to build your own landing page or how to build your own website. Okay, so that will be done through Wix. So how many of you have used any of the tools which are mentioned just now? So if you can hit up that you have used Canva or you have used InVision, or if you have used Wix, you can write in the comments. Okay, I think Canva, Wix, a lot of people have used. Great, great, great. Okay. Hussein has not used any of them. Okay, Hussein, I think you will have a ball of the time here because you will be seeing a lot of things. Yes, Amit, all of these are free for a lot of things. I think Canva is super free, all the ways. But the rest of the people give a lot of website free things in their versions. Okay, are you looking to drive collaboration across team? No, we are not. Okay, never used. Prachi Patel has never used. I didn't use any tool. Okay, Subbu. So what we will do now is we will quickly dive into Canva. I will open my Canva. See, this is a live. If anybody is seeing the live, you can do one thing. If you can share this live on your Facebook page, that will be great, so that people who are around can also be helped. Okay, so you can go to the NDBI page. You can search NDBI. You can go to the share and then comment. So somebody is commenting. See, I will like the comment. That's what we can do. Okay, great. Okay, are you able to hear my own voice again? Great. Okay, so everybody open Canva. Are you able to do that? If you are able to do that, hit yes. Okay, great. So this is the homepage of Canva. Most of you will get a different homepage because you are logging in the first time. Okay, and I create blog banners and those kind of things. That is why they are saying me this. But let me go into create design. Okay, and there will be a lot of suggestions. So if you say create new design, I will get a lot of new suggestions what I want to create. I will give you a brief about Canva. What is Canva? Canva is a free designing tool. Okay. And the number one thing which Canva provides is it has all the prerequisites set. So if you want to make a Facebook cover, it will have a dimension set for Facebook cover. If you want to create a Instagram post, it will have a dimension set. If you want to create Instagram story, it will have a dimension set. Okay, so if you want to create event cover photo, if you want to create any other thing, most of the things the dimensions are set. Okay, so let me just quickly go through the things which are there. So you have Instagram story, the thing is set 1080 cross 190. If you want Instagram post, it is set which is 1:1 ratio. You have animated social post, again 1:1 ratio. Facebook post, it is a different ratio. Facebook cover, different ratio. Instagram story highlight, which is there, a lot of people you will be seeing. Canva is totally free. Hussein, Canva is free a lot for I think whatever I will be showing today, most of the things are free. Canva has a lot of things which go into, like, they will be telling us to buy a few things if you are using any paid products. But I think I have been using it for 3 years now, and I do not need to buy anything from Canva. That is why I will show you how to build things using Canva and Freepik also too. Okay, so you will get blog banner, blog graphic, YouTube thumbnail, which we create a lot, YouTube channel art also. Okay. Pinterest pin, Facebook ads, and then if you're going to see all, you'll be able to see all of things. Okay, Facebook cover भी बन जाएगा. कुछ भी आपको Instagram story के लिए चाहिए, Facebook story के लिए चाहिए, Facebook video, everything is there. Everything. If you want to make documents, the presentation that you are looking currently, this one, okay, this presentation is also made in Canva. Okay, I will show you the presentation also. Okay, so all the document letterhead, if you want to build your resume, that can be also done. Okay, presentation reports, and you have a lot of things there in Canva. So you name the thing that you want to create. If you want to create an infographic, you can create in Canva also. If you want to create something else, you can create that in Canva also. For marketing people who are in marketing, they create a lot of posters, they create a lot of flyers. If you want to create a visiting card, you will also get that thing here. If you want to create logos, new logos, because you are doing something for your company, you can create it here. Okay, gift cards are there, tickets are there, newsletters can be built there, email headers are there. Okay, see, proposals and everything. And most of the things, when you click on any of the things, if I click on marketing, okay, I will get hell lot of templates in this. Okay, see the templates that you are seeing, most of them have two pages, three pages. Understand? And those of you who were saying that is it free, it is free. I am not able to see the paid versions here. Okay, see, these are the bigger ones. The whole report, you can create your whole reports. So those of you who are in MBA, okay, can create reports here, and I think you will stand out of your classes a lot due to this. Okay, so this is the first page that you have, and then you add second page, third page. These are kind of stories that they are there. You will have to resize them. Okay, they have already resized it, and this looks so cool rather than what people are doing around. And this is free, completely free. Everything is free here. You can just drag and drop things here around and you will get the info. Okay, so are you all getting what I am showing till now? If yes, send a why. Great, great. Next time we will change the word. So if you have anything, oh yeah, cool. Okay, cool is something that we will use next time. Great. Okay, so this is one thing that you can do for marketing people. This is just a boom. Events you can announce in, so a lot of people you will be seeing that are doing what you call, आपको शादी के कार्ड आए हैं किसी के अभी तक WhatsApp पे? Has anybody received any wedding invitation in WhatsApp or invitation of a new office or new things and those kind of things? Okay, a lot of people have. So if you want to also send your wedding invitation to people, okay, so there are a lot of themes there. Sahil Goel said I had made on Canva. Yeah, Sahil. So there you go. If you want to create a wedding invitation for any of your friends and anything, you can. Okay. और उसके अंदर अलग अलग थीम भी है. बीच वेडिंग का भी अलग थीम आएगा, डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग का भी अलग थीम है, विंटर वेडिंग का भी अलग थीम है, and those kind of things. Okay. So Canva has all the ready-made templates and everything ready for you guys. Okay. So what you will like, so if you are doing Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and those kind of things, you will get the ads template also here. Okay. So what is something that you guys want me to take up first? Let me know. Okay, Hussein will be using it for brothers wedding. Pitch deck. Okay, Chetan. Pitch deck is something that you want us to Facebook ad, marketing things. Okay. Any other suggestions? Website. Website will be taking up later. Okay, social media. Okay. So Rima, we won't be diving into videos in this session. Videos is altogether a different ball game, and we will have to event sponsor ban a social media post. Okay, great. So all of you, we will first start with a social media post, and what we will do is, do you want to do an animated social media post or a normal social media post? Normal. Okay, we will try with animated. No issues. And those of you who are seeing video, you can do a video also here. So we will try both of them. Okay. So what we will try to do is give me example. What do you want to? Because that example we will be taking along for the whole session. क्योंकि अगर किसी चीज का एग्जांपल लेंगे तो आप लोग को ज्यादा समझ आएगा. Give me example of a startup that you have in mind. We will take that up and create graphics and other things around it. Furniture business, okay. Gifting, okay. Clothing line, okay. Wellness startup, okay. Cult fit business, okay. Oh, what's our आगे? Delivery, small brand. Hemangi, what about small brand? What small brand? I cannot understand small brand. Okay, there are people in Facebook also. Zainab has said health awareness. There are people who are telling about animated, how to get premium thing for free in Canva. Sai Kiran, if you want to get premium thing in Canva, I think I won't be able to help it in the online portal that we are in. Okay, online jewelry, online clothing. Today is World Baking Day. Okay, today is World Baking Day. Great. Happy Baking Day to everybody. Uh, hands on baking. Okay. So what we will do is I will try to take one thing which is there, and these are the few things which I used recently. I'll go back and search templates. Okay, so these are the paid ones. These are the animated ones. Okay, so if we say, let us take an example. Okay, this looks like a clothing brand thing. Okay, you can do that. So you can just click here, change. What can be the brand of the, what can be name of the brand? Okay, we will do it on baking. What do you want to add here? A title? World. And my spellings are very wrong. Okay. World. Okay. So what I will do is copy it and write it FUDGE. Okay. Bake with love. Okay, baked with love. अब प्लीज एकदम एग्जांपल्स आप देते रहोगे ना कंटिन्यूसली तो मेरा दिक्कत हो जाएगा. ओके, they have got it from somewhere. Great. So this was sale. These are the photos. What I will do is I will write here World Baking Day. Okay, and this is a photo. So get up to 60% discount के बदले क्या होगा? Be happy. Simply we have changed it. Okay. And about the photos. So when you go to photos, okay, great. So what we will do is you will get stock photos here. You will get a lot of stock photos here, and we will try to search bake here if we can get something baked goods, bakery products. Will it come into bakery products? Is it true? See, we get free things. Free, 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 free. Everything is free here. So this is the premium thing. When you see pro, you will see a premium. Okay, and it is very simple. If you go, there is an image in there. You delete the image, you get it here. Okay, and then you just drag and drop. It's as simple as this. Okay, समझ आया तो बोलो cool. ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना समझ आया तो लिखो कूल. ठीक है. ओके, ग्रेट. अदर थिंग इज या वी कैन ऑल्सो ऐड आवर फोटो. आई विल डू दैट. अभी क्या होगा कि भाई ऊपर वाला अपन ने ये करा है. अब आपको होगा कि भाई मैं अपना फोटो खुद का फोटो डालू तो आई विल ऐड माय ओन इमेज. ओके, सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल गो टू माय फोल्डर. आई विल go to my desktop. Okay, and what I will do is I will try to find my photos. I have a photo. Okay, great. You can add videos also, guys, if you want. It will take some time. Okay, till that time let me just show you some elements and other things so that you understand. A lot of people are writing cool in the Facebook chat also. I love that part. Okay, so these are the elements which you will get. So if you want to, this was a box that you saw. Okay, and you can add those elements. You can add this kind of elements. There are coronavirus elements also which are free. So if you are making some graphics around coronavirus, you can use those elements and you will get a lot of them. See, and all these are free. All these are free, all of them. If there will be pro, they will write it pro, and if they are paid ones, they will write paid, but most of them are free. Understand that part? Okay, I think the photo would have been uploaded well. So this is my photo. I got my photo. Okay, you saw the upload part, everybody. I will go and delete that one. What I did is I pushed my photo. Okay, I got my photo inside it, but now I will have to change the thing, and it is simple. It's a simple drag and drop tool. Understand that part, everybody. यानी ऐसा है कि भाई वर्डप्रेस यूज किया है कभी किसी ने? Has anybody used WordPress before? No. Yes. No. 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 Not much. Little. Okay. Great. So understand. This is a simple drag and drop tool. No issues if you haven't used WordPress. It is a very simple drag and drop tool. Understand that part. So this was it. And if you want to create, if you want to see how it is looking, we can do this. And so this is the kind of animation that is there. I am not able to remove this sale wala part. I will do that in other thing. Okay. So this was the World Baking Day that we did. Okay. So now let us go to other thing and make something else. We will create an untitled. This was the pitch deck. I think we will have one more design. Yeah. So this is a social media post. So what do you want me to post about in the social media post? Make for clothing. Okay, Hussein, we will be making it for clothing. So let me find a good template. Clothing. I don't know, whichever template that you guys like. What kind of post do you want to create for clothing? Is there any specific thing that Canva is free, sir? Yes, Canva is free. Canva is absolutely free. Okay. Okay, all of you are commenting. Oh, सब लोग सिर्फ पैनलिस्ट को ही भेज रहे. Okay, do one thing. When you type your comment or in the chat, there's an option. Whom do you want to send it to? So you can send it to all panelists or all panelists and attendees. but I don't think it is a webinar, so आप लोग को सबको option मिलेगा, all panelists and attendees वाला. Oh हाँ वही the option is disabled. Yeah, get it. Okay, so we will take some few questions in between. Please record this record video also. Yeah, we are recording it. Thank you for that. Will all the set tools be vertically integrated in this webinar? I do not get that question, but we will be going through the tools. Anonymous attendee is saying pitch deck. Okay, please आप फिर से remind कर सकते हो. मैं आप ध्रुवी में क्या remind करूँ? Please मुझे आप बता देना फिर से कि क्या remind करवाना है. What if we want to post a photo from Canva stored gallery, but we want to cite the photo? Yes, you can do that. No issues, Amandeep. Yesha Shah, what about drawbacks of WordPress? Yesha, we are not going to discuss WordPress. If you want to hit me up in LinkedIn, I will answer your questions there. I have heard it creates problems. WordPress, I think we will discuss in private. Okay. Amandeep, please tell about citation of photos from the Canva gallery. Those photos are free. You don't have to cite them anywhere. They are free for use. Please cover all the things as we have limited time. Sure, Manish, we will be covering them, so we can use max of your time. Yeah, Manish, sure. So could you raise volume from your side? Okay, am I audible or should I raise my volume? Do write why or no. Audible, you are perfect. Okay, great. Okay, learn more. Okay, will you share this recorded video? Okay, it is already live on Facebook. You can get that video. Okay, Manish sir, it's okay. Thank you. Raise your volume. I think it will be difficult for you guys because if I raise my volume, this is not my normal volume. My normal is a bit more higher than this. But okay. So what we will do is we will create a post. Okay. So if you are into fashion, you can get this kind of things. Okay. One more thing which I will, clothing template only we are doing. So if you want to get some inspiration, you will get it here. Free pick. So there is something which I wanted you all to see. Okay, Dipti is saying ask attendees to use headphones. My voice is very clear. Thank you, Dipti, for reassuring that my voice is good. Sai Kiran is also saying in the Facebook Live that it is good. It is low with laptop, so please use the voice in the earphones or something that you can use. Okay, so this is the tool that I have a crush on, kind of. Okay, so I use FreePick a lot. All the designers in the team, I push them to use FreePick a lot. And this is my, if you have Facebook where you go stalk things and see around, this is my Facebook for me sometimes. मैं जब बोर हो जाता हूँ तो मैं FreePick पे आके घूमता रहता हूँ because I get a lot of designs, I get a lot of information from here. See, social media postings, you will get social media posting. आप अगर social media post पे click करोगे and if you go below, you will get more inspiration. Okay, so this is FreePick for you guys, and I will like to explain what FreePick basically is. FreePick started off as a tool which was for people who wanted to get vector images. Okay, what are vector images? Vector images are the images which are scalable. Those are used in Adobe, I think Photoshop होता है और Illustrator होता है. तो Illustrator में use होता है, ठीक है. So Illustrator में Illustrator people use Illustrator because they want to create scalable things. So आपको अगर banner बनाना है बहुत बड़ा, which is of around 18 feet to 100 feet kind of thing. 100 तो ज़्यादा हो गया, लेकिन those kind of posters and those kind of things. In Corel also you can do those. So they need vector images, and vector images are scalable. So Canva started off, FreePick started off as a tool which used to provide free vector images, and now they have a lot of free vector images also, and they have a lot of paid versions. So if you want to see clothing, okay, store, I will just search clothing store. Okay, and I will get a lot of options in that. Okay, I will get free images, and if you want to just do which are free, tick mark a free here. Okay, and you will just see free things. All the things are free. Okay, so if you search clothing store, you will get images, you will get options, you will get graphics, but this is not something which you need to search. Okay, you will get different graphics, different things, but this is very cumbersome for you to understand कि भाई clothing लिखा तो क्या, but clothing store, social, social media. Now you get it? How search works in this? Is it cool? Write cool in the comment if you find it cool. Okay, great. So understand this thing. This will be free. All the graphics that you are seeing here are free because I typed on the free thing. You can download them, you can use them, but for using it, you will need a PSD file. Okay, you can download them as images also. You can freely download it. They are free to download. Okay, but what you can do is you can take inspiration from here easily. If you have a tool or two, you can download them. If you want something, you can download it. But see, this is how you create the things for a clothing brand. You are getting an inspiration here free. And if you have tools like Photoshop or Illustrator downloaded, you can easily edit it in a way that you want to. Okay, other thing that you can do is you can go here and try to find those kind of things here, and then easily add and subtract things. Understand that part. Design is most of the times about inspiration. So this is about sale. You can just rename it and write sale. See, this is a paid one. The image is paid. You can delete that. Done. You can add another element. If I will go and add an element there. Just a second. Image. Okay. So I'll go. I got a grid. I can change its shape and size of the grid. Okay. So you will get almost the same element here. Okay. And in this, I will again go to photos. Clothes. Let me check clothes. Okay. So you can add this thing here. Done. Simple. Okay. So here in Freepik, you will get a lot of free templates to edit and to do things. You will get a lot of inspiration. So we take a lot of inspiration from here. So these are the all about music videos and all those kind of things. Whenever we want to create a pass or so we do Hungry Dog Food Fest. Okay. And event graphics. Okay. See, you will get a lot of themes, posters, and those kind of things. If you want to edit them, you can use edit them. If you want to do anything else, it is up to you. All the days and everything that you are getting, which is the nearest day which is coming. Mother's Day went. Okay, let us try to find things for Mother's Day. Let us create a post for Mother's Day. I will Mother's Day. Okay, 5th June को होता है ना एनवायरमेंट डे. चलो एनवायरमेंट डे ही करते हैं. And World Environment Day. Okay. Okay, watermark does not come. Devi is asking watermark comes or not. Okay. So these are the graphics for World Environment Day. So if you want to use any of them, you can. Because if you wish people on Environment Day, they are going to like it and do those kind of things. So this is the paid one. See, Pro was written. This is premium. So what I will do is I will go here in the licenses. Okay, and click on free. Okay, just a second, my love. Things are loading. Okay, see, so you will get all the graphics which are free. And what we will do now is, let me just go and download it. Okay. Free download. I think I got, okay, free designs. Let me open. Seeing you get a JPEG also. Okay, you get a AI, you get EPS, which are different versions. Okay, AI is used in Illustrator. You will get a JPEG also. And if you want to do those kind of things, you can. Okay, so now you have the image. You have this image also. Okay, you have a lot of different images which you can use. You can use whichever image that you like. Okay, World Oceans Day, World Oceans Day, and those kind of things. And what we do next is very interesting. Okay, so what we go and do is we go to our home page. Okay, once we have the image. Okay, and let us create a Facebook post. Let me find a good graphic. Okay, let us use this one. This is about a free webinar. Let me just take things on the side. What we will do is we will try to upload our image that we had currently. And okay, JPEG is only things that we will upload. Okay, so what do we have to write? World Environment Day, right? Or Happy World Environment Day? Any suggestions? Okay, can you edit? Yeah, we can edit also. Everything is editable here. World Environment Day. Okay. Sorry for the spellings. I am not the right guy to learn English from. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to edit the free pick images, you can do those in Illustrator or those kind of tools. You cannot edit them anywhere else. Okay. And what is it from? It is from NetSaveys Media Company. Okay. So we wish you a World Environment Day. Tree save nature. And if you want to write anything else, it can plant more trees. I will delete few things here which I think are not useful. Okay, and I will ungroup it. See, I am just walking you through few things here and there. Understand, we won't be able to go through the whole Canva part. Okay, but what I am trying to do here is just to make you understand that these are the things which you have to use. Okay, अभी ungroup करना पड़ेगा, कुछ गलत चीज हाथ में. Okay, so I did three things. I grouped them. Okay, so they are now in group again, and we have upload ready. So we'll upload that here. Okay, so we have something here which we have. Why I did it? Because it was in white background. Okay, and I will just make sure it is a bit more. Okay, so अब क्या करेंगे? ये चीज को position करेंगे. Bring it forward. Okay, ऊपर आ गया? Bring it forward. ये भी ऊपर आ गया? Bring it forward. अब किसी को लग रहा है कि डिजाइन में कुछ फॉल्ट था, हमने JPEG यूज करा है, ये हुआ वो, किसी को नहीं पता चलेगा क्या हुआ. ठीक है. Again, I will have to bring the text also forward. So position forward, forward. Okay. So then we will again use the image. Image will come here, and we will have to wish people World Environment Day. So वो कहीं set करना पड़ेगा. You can set it somewhere. Graphic में थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है कि भाई चीजें ढंग से दिखें. And delete things here and there and do some changes. But this is how you do simply. Okay. मेरा शायद इतना ज़्यादा डिजाइनिंग अच्छा नहीं है क्योंकि आई टुक द रॉन्ग टेम्पलेट इन द वे. ठीक है, सो इट इज नॉट गोइंग इन द राइट वे. ओके, सो okay, create YouTube thumbnail, that we will do surely. So you can download it from here, right hand side top, you can download. If you want to share this link, you can share this link. Okay, see, we have a group called NetSaveys. It is not visible to them. If I do it visible for them, we can add around 100 people in the team. Okay, and if I add them and if they see this design, they are going to kill me. They are going to say, एक तो आप live करते हो और ऐसी बेकार डिजाइन बनाते हो, and then you expect people to learn from you. So please don't take inspiration from the design that I'm doing. Learn the tool. फ्री चीजें हैं, आप लोग यूज कर सकते हो. आई डू ऑल माई डिजाइनिंग, मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स विच आई डिजाइन, I do it in Canva. Okay. Other thing that we will try is YouTube thumbnail. It is one of the best things that I learned few times ago. मेरे को परसों ही काम लगा है. ठीक है. YouTube thumbnail. Okay. You can search and then you can find out. Okay. Let us start with blank. We will create a YouTube thumbnail for, I think, this thing which the session is there. This is the last 7 minutes which we will be using on Canva. Okay. And then we will be moving on to other things. So for YouTube thumbnail, I think I will have to use Unsplash also for you. Okay, so this is the third tool which I want to talk about, Unsplash. Okay, Unsplash is a tool which is used for free stock images. Okay, and you will get a lot of free stock images here. Okay, we were talking about clothing. Okay, and you will get free stock images, high resolution images. You won't get this kind of images anywhere. Okay, and all of these are free, all of this. If you want to see Indian, you just type the right keyword and you will find something there. Most of the time it comes to Indian people, but understand that, but most of the tools on internet work around what you search. Okay, so if you're searching the right thing, it will show you the right thing. If you're searching the wrong thing, it will show you the wrong thing. But these are the free stock images which people use. Okay, so in introduction, what we want to do, suppose we want today is we are using design tools. Okay, design tools. चलो मैं देखता हूँ कुछ मिलता है या नहीं design tools से. Okay, this is a good image that can be used. This is also a good image. Let me download this. Again, this is a good image. Okay, this looks interesting. Okay, I think we have found few images which we can use. Okay, so what we will try to create here is YouTube wala kahan gaya? This is world and when everybody got to use FreePic. If you understood FreePic, type Y. Okay, I will show you one more thing in FreePic. So most of the times we need small things, like we need a boy, we need a girl while we are making graphics, and we can get those from FreePic. You see people, you will get a full set of people here. Okay, whichever you want to use, whichever avatars you, so all of them are in the same design. Okay, so if you click, these all people are in the same design line. Understand that part? So that will be very helpful. If these guys are in the same design line, it will be very helpful. So you can use all these graphics wherever you want, whatever way you want. Okay, in Unsplash, Subo, it is all about photos. You cannot edit those photos. You can edit if you know Photoshop and those kind of things, but it will be all around using them in a way where you want to. Okay, so you will get these kind of things. If you are working for social media and you want social posts, social media icons. Okay, see, you'll get all the icons in whichever format that you want, and you can use them freely. Okay, so graphics, and you will get a lot of things. If you search about anything, you will get. If you are working in restaurant industry and see, to create a flyer for restaurants, menu of restaurants and those kind of things, you get everything here. Okay, take design inspiration from here. If you don't know a lot of things, you will understand, you will get a template here. You can create those templates in Canva very easily. Okay, let us move on to YouTube thumbnail now. Okay, so we will create a YouTube thumbnail for the session that we are currently doing. Okay, and how is Adobe Spark? Karan is asking. Karna, Adobe Spark is good. You can use them. It's, I think, same as Canva with a few features here and there, and it is also free for a lot of time. So you can use them. No issues with that. Okay. So the main thing for YouTube thumbnail is you will need a bigger, I think, bigger text size. Okay. So we will use one of the templates that I think which one should we use? The session is of okay, let me see if I can get. Okay, I think it is most of the time of use. Let us use this. Okay. What is the name of the session? If anybody can help me out with that. It is no cost designing. Okay. Okay. So what we will do is we will decrease fonts a bit so that they set accordingly. Okay, no cost designing is the title. Then we have, okay, that is one thing. Now we will add another title because we have a subheading also for the same, and we will go and find it in text. Okay. Sorry. Chinta mat karo, corona nahi hai. Sorry, cannot do this kind of jokes now, but yeah, that is the case. Okay, so this is the kind of, so if you just click, you will get the thing. I click once, I got it here. So I will just have to delete that because I got 2-3 times. Okay, I think I don't need the upper part, I just need this. So what is the title? The bottom is Tools for Creative Entrepreneurs. Tools for Creative, C-R-E-A-T-I-V, Creative. Okay, so what I will do is, I think this is not required in all caps. So I just did this one. You have all the tools here. Okay, whatever you want to use, you want to change the font. Let me change the font once. Okay, I will use Roboto. I love Roboto a lot. Okay, so I will use Roboto. If you want to it center aligned, you can have center aligned. If you want to keep it left aligned, you can keep left aligned. If you want to increase, make it in 2 lines, you can do that. If you want to change the color, let us change the color to white. You can do that. Okay, let us decrease the font a bit more so that it's visible perfectly. Okay, so now we have it. Okay, it would be fine, sir. Okay, other thing that we will do, we downloaded one of the images of tools. Let me upload those images once. Okay, and downloads, we had 3 images. Till the time they get uploaded, let me just go and find. So yeah, who is facilitating this webinar? Can you all write the name? Who is doing this webinar in the first place? I just want to know if you are attentive enough or not. Guys. Okay, Jigar bhai is doing it. Great. NDBI is doing it. Raya. So NDBI is doing the webinar. Okay, so what we will do is NDBI. I'll just search NDBI on the net. I'll go to images. I will write logo. If I can get it. Okay. Okay. So we have logos here. What I will have to do is, अगर ये white background में है या नहीं मेरे को वो देखना पड़ेगा. इनका लोगो शायद ही है. Okay. So most of the logos that NDBI has, they do not have it in white background. So let us try one more time. So what we will do is we will go to NDBI website. See, these are the few things that you have to do. Right click, open image in new tab. Okay, and you will get a PNG file. But again, this is in white background. We cannot help. So अभी image नहीं है अपने पास, तो अपन यही download करेंगे. और तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. Okay, so we got the image. We got it. We got this. We got this. Let us close this. Let us. Okay, design कहाँ गया? Okay, see. So what I will do is I will upload the logo of NDBI also. Darshana is asking, is this a certificate webinar? No, Darshana, it's a free course, and I don't think any National Design Business Incubator will be providing any certificates for the same. So what you can do is you can add a logo here. Okay, you can do some kind of designing or those kind of things so that it is there. You can write the speaker, you can add a text where the speaker is and what they are doing. Other thing that we will be doing is we will be adding graphics. So no cost designing. I think this graphic goes well. So I'll add that graphic here. Done. Okay. What I will do is I will select all these things, bring it a bit down on the bottom. Okay. And simply drag and drop. You want to increase this size, you can decrease this one here and there. Understood? And then you can increase this size. Select all, increase a bit. Boom. Got it? You download it and then you change the thumbnail wherever you want to. Okay. Write boom. Write boom in the comments. Boom. I learned it yesterday. I was doing a course on LinkedIn and there the guy who was teaching us said कि भाई ये सब लिखो. मैंने कहा मजा आ गया. I loved that part. Okay, so you have the image ready, guys. लोगो का कुछ करना पड़ेगा, लोगो ढूंढना पड़ेगा आपको थोड़ा अच्छा, ठीक है, and then it will be very helpful for, but this is basic. See, this is what I think is very helpful wherever you are going or whatever you are doing. This will be very helpful. यानी कुछ नहीं, कुछ ना सही से तो कुछ सही ज्यादा अच्छा है, ठीक है. I tried animate but it is saving as a video file. See, animated media, Abhishek, will be saved as a video file only, always. Understand that, because it is animated. And that is why it is saving as media file. It will be uploaded as media file only. Okay. So you will get free stock videos also here. They are getting into stock. Okay. Stock videos. So you will get videos also. You can do things around that. Go and roam around in Canva a bit. You will understand that. Okay. Other thing that you have to do is, okay. So this is one. Understood YouTube templates. You will get all the templates here. Trust me, there is not a single thing which is not there in Canva, which is needed by a basic person who is into marketing or designing in a way. Okay. You will get all the basic needs here. You will get all the templates. You will get everything here. I use it day in and day out. Okay. And Triksha is asking, Triksha, there is a paid version in Canva where you can remove the background. Canva paid is around 13 rupees a month or 30 rupees a month. Okay. And if you want to remove background transparent thing, you can use PowerPoint also. Somebody is suggesting, Reena is suggesting. I most of the times use Photoshop and those kind of things to remove the background, but there are online tools also to remove the background. Don't worry, you will get them. You will find them very easily. Okay. So these are the designs that we did just now. Okay. And I will like to show you, where did my design go? Okay. I was showing you the presentation which I created. Yeah. See, today's presentation is created here in Canva. It will load, the fonts will load. Okay. Everything. All the small icons are also added. Are you able to see those? Okay. So this is Canva for you guys. It is a great tool. Okay. And it is already 12:06. Let us jump on to other tools. So the next thing that we will be seeing is infogram. Sorry. So if you say infogram, I won't go into deep because we have done a lot of things in Canva, which is kind of same. Okay. It is again that you have to go to infogram. Okay. Somebody wrote boom. Okay. And after you log in, this is the infographics that you can create. This is most of more for the people who are making reports in marketing or who want to submit some reports and want to show something to their investors in a first place or to the first people who are using the things. Okay. Or if you want to create infographics which are good for LinkedIn, which are good for Pinterest. Okay. Infographics go very well there. If you are writing a blog and you add your infographic there, that will create a lot of engagement in a way. So this is the best tool if you want to create infographics. This is same drag and drop things. Okay. I think let me just show you some examples so that you can get an idea. Okay. Again, same, lot of templates are there, lot of great infographics are there, lot of templates are there. You have to just choose whichever field that you want to get into. I have already logged in. I will go to infographics and see all the templates are here. I'll just have to click on something and then go and edit them. Simple. You can create your resume also. Okay, start using this template. It's a public. Okay, no issues. I will start using this template. Okay, I can change the email ID. Again, drag and drop tool, very simple. Netsize.com. My number is +91 9033 Okay. Username, I go by Sahil Shah 0801 everywhere. Wherever you search me, it's Sahil Shah 0801. Netservice.com. Sorry, not a good guy to do typing exercises with. Okay. Understood? It's very simple. Simple drag and drop tool. You can download the PDF. Okay. Or you can download it in whichever way you like. You can share it across. It is high quality PNG. For web, it is JPEG. For print or vector, you can download it in PDF. Okay. I'll go upgrade to download. Okay. Understand those things. It's free. Okay. So these are the things that you can do. Okay. And you can share it across wherever you want. Okay. And it has a paid version also. So if you want to go deep down, but I think it is very costly in a way. It is $19 per month, which is I think most of you won't like. You can go to Canva, and if you want, you can take some inspiration from here. Again, you can go to Canva, you can go to templates, and then you will search for infographic. You will get them. Okay. Info. See, there are also templates. You can go and do things here. Okay, so let us jump on to two tools done. If you are with me till now, write whatever you want to write in the comments. I just want to see that you are with me. We will be jumping on to two more things and then. Okay. Super insights, Nirmal bhai. Thank you. Prachi, Adil is boom. Okay, I will have to jump. Okay, great. Let us jump. Okay. So next two tools will be around designing for your website or app. Okay. One thing is, first thing that we will be learning about is InVision. Okay. How many people have thought about creating a website or app for their startups? Triksha has thought, Deepti has thought, Ansh has thought, Kruti has thought for creating a website. Okay. Prachi Patel, I am already using it on WordPress. Great. Yeah, thought currently working on it. Okay, great. So most of you are there who want to work on their website or app. Okay. So let us move forward with that. InVision is a tool which is used for Triaksh. Sorry, Mr. Shah. I am very sorry for pronunciation of your name, but as I told you, I am very bad with those things. So please spare me for that. So we are talking about InVision. So InVision is a tool. Amruta is also working on her product. So InVision is a tool which is used by people for designing. Okay, in the first place. Other thing which InVision is used is mostly for UI UX part. Okay, there are big companies which are using it. Most of the companies which I know are using it for wireframes and those kind of things. So wherever you have an idea and you want to do a high level designing and you don't have that budget and you want to do the first A/B testing of the product that you are creating, use InVision for that. Okay. So if you are creating a mobile app and then you will spend 50,000 or 1 lakh or those kind of amount on creating the design and the live mobile app, and then people are saying, "Arey, ye to maja nahi aa raha hai. Arey, ye to acha nahi hai." So you can use InVision for that. Okay. So I will just skim through InVision because it is a heavy thing for people who do not understand. It is free. Again, I will tell guys, the basic version is free in InVision. Okay, ye galat khol diya. InVision. Okay. Till now, how is it going? Going good? Understanding? Speed कम है ज़्यादा है? Do let me know in the comments. Going good. Okay. Few people are saying going good. Perfect. Good. perfect, super good. Okay, awesome. It's perfect. You may increase the speed a bit. Okay, Samir. Understood. Speed is perfect. Good. Okay, great. So what I will do now is, see, you can go log in into InVision. You can create your own thing. Okay. Uh, that is there. You can create new projects and other things. I will show you a prototype so that you understand how InVision works. Okay. So this is a prototype which I downloaded from InVision only and created there. So these are the pages that you are seeing. These are all the pages of an app. Okay. And like this way, you can create screens for your app and then give it to people for testing. How testing? I will show you. Okay. So I will click on view screen. Okay. Are you able to see the screen? Okay. Let me just make it a bit smaller so that everybody can see. Okay. Is it visible? Everybody please write in chat visible. Yeah. Okay. So I clicked on one thing. Okay. Whenever I click on other, it will tell me where to click, what to do. If you don't have an account, you go on sign up, you will get a sign up option. Okay. Continue with Facebook. You are inside it. Okay. Then I click here. I get an option where should I click. These are the screens. I will get an option where to click. I am closing this. Again, I am here. I can scroll here. I can go down. I can go up. So this is a way you can create your own mockups. Understand that. Okay. So before creating an app, before creating a website, this will be a tool which will be used. So if you're going to your early stage investors, or if you're trying to do it for your startup in the first initial days, and then you are testing your products, if you're doing it for minimum viable product, these are the things that you can do easily. This is very easy. It will take you 3-4 hours to create the whole design. अच्छा नहीं बनेगा चलेगा, कोई आपको डिजाइनर नहीं मान रहा है. It is just that taking your product to the public, and this is the tools which will help you. Okay, so you click here, the profile will open, you will see what are the things. You click here again and it will show. You can go to settings page. These are the things which are there. Again you click, they will show what to do. It's done. You are outside. You click on each of the things. Okay, you click on for you click on explore. You will get other things in the explore. Okay, you click here, you click on travel. Is it clear, everybody? Okay, Deepti, I will show you how to create that. Okay, great. So just a second, let me just shift things a bit. Okay, so there are buttons at the bottom. Okay, this is a build mode. I think my laptop just hanged. Okay. Short of time. How did I get logged out of it? I was using it. These kind of things happen. Dave is asking, InVision.com has an app. Yes, it will. It has an app. Don't worry. Okay. So yeah, I am showing. So this is how you create a new template. You click on plus. Let me just increase this size a bit so you can all see. Okay. One is freehand. Freehand is you can draw anything that you want. One is another board, and other is create new prototype or try a sample. Initially, you all should try a sample. Okay. And what I did or I showed you was a sample for mobile. Then you can create a sample for tablet. Try a prototype. Okay. And then try to edit those things. Okay. Now I have got a template ready. Okay. And if I want to do, I will try to edit these things. Okay. View screen, or let us see option of archive, duplicate, share, live embedded, view screens. Okay. Inspect mode. Okay, these are the screens. You can change. Same, what are the things? You can change the text here and those kind of things. Okay, so you are in the inspect mode just now. You can drag and drop things here, and you can play around this with this tool. Okay, I will jump on to other tool because I think this won't be very important for everybody. I was just wanted to show how you can do things here. Okay. There are a lot of learning available there. It is a very good tool. A lot of designers are using it. And for the initial days, I think this will help you a lot. Other thing that we are jumping into. So this is a tool that you can use. Just a second. Okay. Next part that we will be working on. Wix. Okay, Oxcom हो गया. Okay, तभी खुल नहीं रहा है. How many people have used Wix? Give me a hands up. N, nobody has used it. How many of you used Wix? I have used. Okay, no of it. Okay. So those of you who have not used it, Wix is a free website development tool. So like we have for what you call WordPress. Okay, we have Wix here. And let me explain you Wix. Okay. So Wix is leader in website creation. You will be seeing a lot of ads. They have a lot of templates. Let me show you those templates. Why I am showing you those things? Okay, अंदर ही जाना पड़ेगा यार, अंदर नहीं जाना, मैं कहीं और हूँ. ठीक है, मैं पहले तुमको बाहर से दर्शन करा देता हूँ चीजों के. Let it just load. Okay, they don't have a lot of things outside. Let me go inside. So this is my dashboard that I have created. Okay, I can go to my sites and all site. I have already created a site. Let me create a new site for you guys. Okay, login into Wix. You will create a new site. What do you want to create? There are options. Hit in the chat. What do you want me to create? We'll just do that in 5-10 minutes and then go forward. Yeah. Are you able to see the options which are there? Business, blog, designer, business. Okay, a lot of people are writing business. Let us go with business. Okay, so let us go forward with business. Okay, so there are two ways of going into it. Okay, one is you can choose a template, okay, and do the editing yourself. Other is you will get a ready-made template. Okay, so Reena, I think you can ask these questions in private. What is the basic configuration of system required? I am using a i5 laptop, and basically I think that works. Okay. After you create, does it say something.wix.com? Yes, it says something.wix.com. Okay, and that is how we are going to create. So there are two ways of creating the website on Wix. One is Wix will automatically do it. We will try to do that once. Okay. What do you want to create? A consulting firm or a non-profit organization or whatever you are? We will work on marketing agency. Okay, music marketing. There will be marketing blog consult. You will get a hell lot of options in Wix also. Okay, whatever you want to do. Business consultant, music consultant, IT consulting agency. Let us say IT consulting agency. Okay, you step in next. Okay, so what are the features that you require in this? Okay, you will have to select. We have bookings, we have chat, we want to use blog. Do you want to store? No, we do not want online store. You want to live stream? Just drag and drop. iPhone, Instagram feed, subscriber form, brainstorm. You go through and you will get a lot of things. Okay, menus. I am skipping next. What is the name of the business? Anything? Anybody can name the business that you want to name? Amrutha is saying events. Okay, can somebody give me a good name of a business? Design Jack. DG World. Okay. Okay. So we have name. Do we have an existing website or something from which we can tell? I think I will skip that part just now. Okay. DG World email address this. You can add your phone number, addresses, and things like that. Let me add our office address, my phone number, fax, social links. Okay, let us copy few social links so that we can get that part clear. Okay, see, you will just have to drag and drop things here. You will have to add your socials. I am just adding and they are taking it as and when they want to. Okay. तो नेट से इसका ब्रांडिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरे पास अभी रेडीमेड यही माल पड़ा है. सो अगर आप लोगों के पास हो तो आप लोग भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है. Which are the themes that you want? I think I love minimal. People who will love Soho or classic or those kind of things. I love minimal design. I will go forward with minimal. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. हो जा भाई. Okay. Which are the templates that you all like, guys? 1, 2, 3. Please type 1, 2, 3. Ansh is saying 1, 1, 1. Everybody is going forward with 1. Let us go with 1. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. We will have to wait for a second. Let it load. Understand this is an automatic website builder. And what you are going to show, I am going to show you is just going to blow your mind away. Oh, it's taking longer than it always does. Boom. Your website is ready, guys. Congratulations, you just created a website under 10 minutes. Now you have to edit things. You can edit your services. You can edit your Instagram feed, Instagram photos that are there. Okay. You can go to settings. Okay. Connect Instagram. I will have to connect my Instagram. Let me do that. Authorize. Okay. You will see my Instagram feed here. Okay, cool. Are you able to see my Instagram feed, everybody? You have contact us. You have the address, which is of my office, NetSales Media Company. You can do some editing here and there, and then here we are. Everything is up. The website is ready. If you click on socials, if I go to preview, this is how your website looks. If I click on socials, it will take me there. It will definitely take me there where I give them the links. Okay, you can edit each and everything here, each and everything which is here. Okay, if I click on publish, website, what do you call webinar test 1. Okay, you can do custom connect also. But I think for the first few times, I think this will be great. Okay, let me just open that up. Coming soon. 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. भाई खोल दो भाई, लोग राह देख रहे हैं तुम्हारी. Okay, it's taking longer than I expect it to. So just wait. So let us go to the other part also and do those things. So this was one that we did. Automatically the website was created. Other thing is you can do choose a template. Okay, and then do those things. So somebody was into clothing, right? You will get a lot of templates here. Okay, consulting, coaching, service maintenance, technology, advertisement, marketing, and those kind of things. You can search also. Okay, search all templates. I will search CLO clothing. See, you get it for clothing. You want to sell it for online t-shirts, you can do online t-shirts. View, go to view. Okay, you want to edit this site, you can edit this site. Edit this site. Okay. The way we are using Canva, in the same way you can use Wix and create websites. Understand that part. Testing is needed or not? Testing is needed. You will have to test things. I think it is coming off good. Visit website. Okay, let me just share this website with everybody. All panelists and attendees. You can open this in your phone and it is mobile responsive. Understand that part. Okay. If you open it in your phone, it will be opening well. It thoda time le raha hai yahan pe. But yeah, if you open it in your phone, it is a mobile responsive website. Okay, and you have everything which you want. ये wixsite.com आ रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, because you are starting your business, you want to prove something to others, people won't see that as a hindrance. Or you can buy, it is very cheap, you can buy that also. Okay, you can buy it or shift it to your domain also for Wix. Okay, understand that part. Creating these things are very important. Okay, sorry, Mr. Shah is asking, what are the pricing? Let me go to pricing. Think what is there. Okay, Riksha, let me show you the pricing part. Okay, done. Got it. Just a second, I think the laptop is a bit slow. Okay, compare plans. ₹29 बिल्ड मंथली. 30 रुपए में आपको डोमेन मिल रहा है, आपको विक्स का एड्स नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है, फ्री डोमेन, कनेक्ट टू योर डोमेन, अनलिमिटेड बैंडविड्थ, 100 GB स्टोरेज, गूगल एनालिटिक्स भी आ रहा है, ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स में मिलेगा, अनलिमिटेड वीडियो है, ऑनलाइन स्टोरेज, सब कुछ है. लेकिन मैं तो 30 रुपए भी नहीं खर्चता. लेकिन आप लोग को अगर करना है 30, विच कम्स आउट टू बी अराउंड ₹360 a year, you get your website with hosting with your own name. So if I want to create Sahil whatever I want to do, okay, we can create it at ₹30 a month, which is, I think, dirt cheap. You have your own website and it is drag and drop, guys. It is drag and drop. If you think this is useful, hit cool in the comments. Was this useful? Hit cool in the comment. Great. I think we have some people in life. I added some value in people's life. Okay. So thanks a lot for that part. We won't go a lot into those things. I will take a few questions and let me complete my presentation a bit. मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बनाया था, आपको सिर्फ दिखा दूँ. Using this all tools for free and those kind of things is just one thing which you all should remember. It only is free. Everything is free around. If you see, in a way, this webinar was also free. Okay, and you attended it. There are a lot of paid courses also which teaches the same thing, but there is no point in paying for something or not paying for something in a way if it does not serve your purpose. Okay, आज आप यहाँ पे आए हो and then you are into B2 in the sales field. If you don't use this Canva tools for your sales part also, if you don't use them in the marketing part also, this 1.5 hour that you have spent with me just now is of no use. Okay, सो कोई लर्निंग नहीं होगा इफ यू डोंट इम्प्लीमेंट दोस थिंग्स. आज जाओ, वेबसाइट बनाओ. अपन ने 1.5 घंटे में इतनी सारी चीजें बनाई हैं. आप लोग आराम से जाके, आज पूरा दिन संडे है, और अब तो रोज ही संडे है मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल के लिए, यानी लोगों के लिए संडे ही होता है. गो एंड यूज दोस थिंग्स. ओके, आई हैड दिस थिंग इन बिटवीन बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू शो दिस इन विजन एंड, लेकिन मैं शायद खो गया बीच प्रेजेंटेशन में आप लोगों के प्यार में. सो आई डिड नॉट शो दिस. ओके, तो अभी बोलो क्या समस्या है. We will take few questions. I have got a permission of extending it by 15 minutes. People in Facebook can also write questions. I will be answering the questions there. Okay, and let me take up the Q&A segment up. Okay, just a second. Okay, we have a lot of questions out. Q&A नहीं आ. Okay, chat आ गया. Okay, can we create B2B post? Yes, we can create B2B post. Canva in animated business video. Animated, I think no. Canva cannot be used for animated business video. Okay. Hemangi is asking, can we make our own templates? Yes, you can make your own templates in any of the tools which are there. All the tools give you that permission. If you have a premium version, are vectors editable? No, in the premium version, vectors are not editable. In, I think you are asking it for free pick. Vectors are only editable in Illustrator, and it is very easy. They can be edited in online tools also. You will find them. Go do a Google search, vector editing or those kind of things. Can we edit pre-pick downloaded template in Canva? Yes, you can edit few things there, no issues. But if you have a JPEG image, you will have to work around those things. What's grouping and ungrouping? Didn't get that part. Okay, grouping and ungrouping, Chetan, is a simple tool for Canva. What you do in grouping is whenever you will have to move a lot of things around in Canva. So suppose you are seeing this thing. Okay, Sahil Shah 0801 is there. I have the icons ready. Okay, if I want to move them here and there, okay, so I will have to again select all and then move. So what I did is I grouped all of them together. So whenever I will have to move, I will move all of them in one click only. Okay. What is the specialty of Canva over Freepik? You can do a lot of things in Canva. Freepik is just a tool where you get images or the small graphics and those kind of things that you need. Canva is a editing software. You can do editing there. You can create your presentations there. I showed you this presentation that you are currently seeing is edited in Canva. You will have a lot of presentations in Canva. यानी अगर आप engineering में हो 4 साल में कोई भी presentation repeat नहीं होगी आपकी theme. That is my guarantee. And we do presentations in engineering every week. If you're in MBA, 2 years of MBA, all your reports, all your templates of that reports are free. Trust me, you will get all the templates there. You won't be able to repeat a single template. There are so many templates. Okay. Ansh is again asking, do you export this project to Android Studio or Xcode? No, I do not. Okay. Okay. How do you export? You can Google search and then you can get it, Ansh. There are simple ways. Okay, laptop has hanged in a way. So InVision is a only mock-up and not actual product. Yes, Sahil, InVision is only mock-up and not the actual product. Okay. Adil is asking. Okay, my phone also stopped. Hello.
Sahil, are you there? I think Sahil has some network issues. Just wait for 2 minutes, guys. We'll resolve this.
Hello. Am I audible, guys?
Yeah, Sahil, you're audible.
Yeah. Sorry. The other Sahil Shah who is there, you can kick him out. He was stuck. Okay, guys. Let me just take few questions. Extremely sorry. Laptop just got him. Okay, so I am not able to see the questions. 26. Okay. So, Jigar, can you help me out with questions? I am not able to see those questions.
Yeah, so there's a question. Can we make a post like .gif format in Canva?
No, exporting in .gif is not possible just now. They will soon come up with that option. You can download it as image, and then when you upload it in Giphy, you can do use that thing. So you can download it as a video and upload that video in the Giphy file.
So guys, if you have any question, please write in the chat.
Yeah, if you had asked the question earlier, sorry guys, extremely sorry. I am not able to see the questions now. So if you want to do that, you can. Start live, start live, start live. Okay. Can you move? Okay. Which can be the tools to create any business videos? For business videos, Pramod, we can use a lot of different tools. Can we add pages in Wix.com? Yes, you can add pages. Mihir is saying, thank you for the wonderful session. Thanks a lot, Mihir. Site created, just videos freely you can create in on Canva also. Pramod, there are a lot of options where you get to create Canva videos. Okay, videos in Canva also. There are free tools also. Like I will insist Jigar to use one of the sessions for video tools also, because videos are the thing which are coming up next. Okay. Once we create the website, how can we see that in Google? Okay. So you will have to buy your own domain for that, and then you can search that in Google. And it will take time. SEO is another big topic which you all should learn about. Okay. Your email ID for further. Okay, just a second. Let me share. Oh. सेल्समैन से पूछ रहे हो कि सेल्स आगे का कैसे करते हैं. So this is the thing. Okay. You can contact me anywhere. I am present on most of all the platforms. Okay. And let us take few more questions. Thank you, sir. It was really informative. Thank you, sir. This session, sir. Thank you for coming live. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Is there any new sessions like this coming up? Yes, Jigar will be helping you out with that. Can we add clickable active link on Canva poster? Yes, you can add clickable links on the poster and the things. That is for sure. You can do that. Okay. Okay. Amrita, you can maybe Google search that part just now, because okay. Which tools give us SVG images? Any free editor to edit SVG? I think free editors are not there for SVG images. You can download SVG images. You can do it from Canva. Okay, sorry, you can download it from vector images. You can take the vector images in Illustrator and then export it in the SVG file. And there are other SVG creators also online which are free. You can download those things from there. Okay, I think Canva FreePic also gives you option for SVG file. That is, I'm not pretty much sure, but yeah, it gives an option. Okay. I think we are done with questions, guys. Any other questions that you have which I have not answered till now? Anybody on Facebook whose question I have not answered? Let me just check that once. Or else, Jigar, we can. Okay, let me just stop it. What is the topic of the next session? I think Jigar will answer that. Price for Canva Pro. Canva is around 30 rupees a month. That is what I think, maximum 13 or 30. I don't remember exactly. I have never paid for that because most of my work is done freely in that. Okay. Jigar, I think people are asking for the next topic.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Sahil. The session was really insightful, and thank you everyone for joining in. It was indeed a great pleasure to have you, Sahil, over here, and people really were over presentation and the tools that you explained. I guess definitely we should plan a next session. So definitely maybe next Sunday, if it would be a good time, definitely we can decide upon the topics that have been coming from the audience side as a suggestion kind of thing, and definitely we can plan. So maybe next Sunday would be the next session that we can plan for sure.
Sure. Thanks a lot, everybody, and sorry for the people who were not able to join in. I think hope you would have seen it on the Facebook Live, and we will be uploading this on YouTube also, and so we will get it there also. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your time. Thank you, Jigar, for having me here. It was a great time with these guys. And thanks a lot, guys. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you have any doubts, I will be happy to solve it there.
Thank you so much, everyone. And the video will be there in the NDBI's Facebook page also. So if anyone would like to review or recheck, then definitely they can. So yeah, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you, Sahil.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.